So Denise, there's so much going on in the mortgage world that I would like to know from you what is going on with this concept of forbearance. If you can explain how the forbearance works in the mortgage world, please.
Okay, what's happening is all mortgage lenders, or at least most mortgage lenders, are offering forbearances to their customers whether or not you need it. You don't have to prove hardship. You don't have to prove that you've lost your income. They're just saying, hey, you want a forbearance? And if you say yes, you can get it. It is very important that, number one, you get a written agreement from the servicer if you elect to do this. And there's two types. There's one where the forbearance payments are tacked on to the end of the mortgage, or there's one where the forbearance payments are collected in a balloon, in a lump sum at the end of the 3 months or 6 months or however long they've gone into forbearance. You can actually go into forbearance for 12 months if you choose to. Those are the two options that are available for forbearance. But if you are looking at buying a home or refinancing a home in the next 12 months, do not do a forbearance unless it's your absolute last option, because we will not approve a mortgage for anyone who's been in forbearance within the last 12 months, because we need a full 12-month payment history to approve a mortgage. So even though you're not penalized by your lender, you're not penalized by your credit report, we as lenders will penalize you because you don't have a 12-month payment history that we can verify to approve the new mortgage. So forbearance has got to be your last choice. Don't do it unless you have no other option.
That sounds great. Thank you so much. And do you have any idea how people can protect themselves when they're discussing forbearance, and where can they see that clause you mentioned about, attaching to the end of the loan as opposed to becoming a balloon payment? Is there a specific clause in the contract? Is there anything they specifically need to ask to understand what they're signing for?
It's going to vary from lender to lender, but all lenders have to send you an agreement of how the forbearance will work. And I just recommend that you read it very carefully and make sure that the language of the forbearance agreement stipulates whether it's a balloon payment due at the end of the forbearance or additional funds tacked on to the end of the mortgage.
That sounds great. Thank you so much, Denise. Do you want to say who you are and your title and everything and your phone number?
Sure. I am Denise Drews. I'm a senior loan officer with Paramount Residential Mortgage Group, PRMG, and my phone number is 727-403-4531.
Thank you so much, Denise.